This is a camp area. We went up to our camping spot. You can tell I look dirty. Oh man, I need to go home and take a shower. Yeah. But anyway, I stopped by here. The guys are still up there. They're gonna come down. Grabbed my towel. There's the garbage cans. We threw the garbage in them. It's a pretty cool camping spot. If you can hear the cars right there coming, that's Highway 49. Right off Highway 49. I guess this is like, we always stop by, but the road we go up to, right here, going up that way, that's 49. And coming down here, there's some people camping there. I just come down here sometimes to use the restrooms. My truck. Going home alone because my other buddy got his nephew with him. Seems like some people are still asleep. Right about there. I hear cars. But yeah, I came down here to wash my face and my hair. Use the water right here. Nice running water. Yep, there it goes. Free water at the campsite. And there is Mo. Just showed up with his nephew right there, about to drop off the garbage. So that's one truck. There's the second truck. What's up, fellas? They're here. We're going home. We've been here too long. Our October trip. And one of the kids that showed up here, he wants to go pan for gold. So next year is gonna be up at my spot, Dollywood's. And he wants to learn how to pan for gold, so that's where we're gonna go. All right, camping trip of October. What do you think? Should I leave the beard? Like maybe this big? Or shave it off? Grizzly bear.